Okay.
Mama.
CJ, hi. You hawak dada.
No. Mama.
Si Dad.
A spoon.
Huh?
Spoon is broken.
Huwag mo na ihawak yan.
Yeah. How about?
Ooh.
No.
Good thinking.
Wow, buddy.
Could win today.
Ha? Say hi, Goy. Kumusta, Goy? Kumusta, my Goy-Goy? Kumusta, Don Julio? Hey, Don Julio. Dada. Uy! Ayan, oh. Tinan mo yung Christmas nila, oh. Ayan, oh. Grabe. Pasong-pasko na dito, mga kaibigan. Wow! Ooh, now they're going with you, Dada. Dada, they're going with you.
Why is this hot?
Ah, maganda to.
I don't
Ah, mat.
this.
Babe, get the for kids. That, oh no. Uh-oh. CJ, don't use that. Get CJ.
Come on. All right. This car.
You cannot use that, babe. Okay, let's go, Goy. Uy, Goy, look, Christmas. Wow, ang ganda ng Christmas doon. Ayan, mga kaibigan. Wow, ang ganda. Wow, Paskong Pasko na. Wow. Nice. Wow, pasok tayo dito, mga kaibigan, sa... Ayan, ang daming mga Pasko. Just don't touch, honey. Okay? Eh, nating masira. Wow, ang laki. Babe, look.
Here. This is broken.
Ano?
This.
Ay, hindi mo yan sira. Goy, display yan. Ayan, mga kaibigan, oh, ganito kaliit. Oh, laki, $99. Mahal po ang Christmas. Pero pagkatapos po ng Pasko, maraming mga tinatapon. Ha?
Ship on the top.
Yes, I see that. I see the...
The whole bunch.
Uh-huh.
The one with the helicopter.
Oh, wow. That looks good. Okay, let's look in here. Let's look this way because it's hard to see when we're in the bottom. Kishana, what do you like in there? What do you like?
Snoopy in the car.
I think I like the one with the... What do you call that? North Pole ski. How much is that?
Oh, I want it.
She like the North Pole. We can put that in the other side.
I want it.
Which one you like? Oh, Santa is on the beach. Look. Ayan si Santa, oh. Napahiga-higa lang siya, oh. Snoopy? Where's Snoopy?
Over there.
Ah, Snoopy the car.
They know what it's Snoopy. And why is that twisting around?
Natulog si Santa. Ayun, mga kaibigan, naglalabasan. Ito, lahat, oh. Grabe naka-display, oh. At kailangan ng storage. Halaka. Dito iso-storage yung mga Christmas, oh. Yan yung mga Christmas tree dito nilalagay, oh, sa mga mahaba, oh. Grabe kahaba. How much is that, babe? The North Pole. That's cool. Come on, baby. There's what do you call that? Pork lip. Go back there. Now we see. Okay. We'll wait for her. You're welcome. Okay, come on, honey. We can go now. Ayan.
That's loud.
Meron tayo niyan ako sa basura, mga ganyan. Oh. That's ano, Christmas balls.
Yeah, that's why you...
Babe, try to look in there. You cannot... There's no prices though.
Mama, there's a lot. There's a lot.
There's no, walang price. Nawala si Junior, mga kaibigan. Gustong gusto ni Don Julio. Pero wala dito, iba yung display. Hindi dito naka-display. Parang showing lang ata yan.
Look, the frozen one.
Yeah.
It's frozen. Maybe go over here. Wait, I see something.
Ayan, oh. Ang dami dito, oh. Ayan, ang mga may baboy pa. Baboy at saka ayan. Grabe, ang mahal din nito, oh. $59. $59. $60 din ang mga maliliit. Mahirap yan ang storage, bebe. Ang problema yan ang pag-storage. Saan natin yan ilalagay ang mga ganyan? Oh, ayan, bumalik si Krishana. Yan ang mahirap i-storage. Sus ko, grabe, no? Saan mo yun ilalagay kapag tapos na ang Pasko? Wala tayong mapaglagyan. Aligoy! Ayan, may mga... Maganda din itong penguin, oh. Plastic lang pala siya. Ganda. Merong ano dito. Baby, we're look for extension cord. Ayan yung mga Pasko dito nilalagay sa harapan ng bahay. Naglalabasan na mga kaibigan dahil Pasko na. Ayan. Yes.
Stick wall. You stick the walls.
Let's look in here. I think the...
Mama, wait.
Oh yeah, you can stick on the wall. You want that?
Yes, I'll use it.
Okay, grab one. You like that? What else? Oh, the large one is expensive. It's double.
This one or no?
Do the Santa, yeah. That Santa.
Okay,
Okay,
that's it.
that's good. That's good. You have two.
Dad,
Just wait. Dito tayo, dito. Kasi kukuha din si Chris ng extension cord. Oh. Ayan. Ah. Ano to, shab? Ah, okay.
Mickey Mouse.
That's cool. Oh, here's the SpongeBob. Bluey. Look, Bluey. Meron na kaming Bluey.
And Papa Jesus.
Oh, that's nice. Papa Jesus and maybe we can get one of that.
Let's go. Too big.
That's pretty. Papa Jesus and baby. The baby Jesus, mga kaibigan.
Yeah.
You wanna get that one?
Yeah.
Maganda yan. Saan natin yung ibilagay banda? Mahal siya, oh. Tag $100. You need that, baby. That's Papa Jesus. Get one. Huwag ka ng isa. Sige na.
I can't get it. You hold it.
Oh, these are the big ones.
You hold
Yung mga malalaki.
it. Oh, my thing.
Get Papa Jesus.
Okay.
Kunin mo yan kay importante yan. Isa lang. Wow, only one left? Wow. Okay, get it.
Uh-oh.
Okay, kunin mo. Tanungin muna natin si Chris kung papayag siya nito kasi...
Very heavy.
No, it's not, honey.
What is it?
Baby. Baby, ako akong hawak. Okay. Okay, hawak. Okay, let's go. Tanungin natin si Chris kung saan natin ilalagay ang Papa Jesus. Ayan, oh. Babe! Tishana found this one. Babe, what do you think? We're gonna get it? What do you think?
You hold this, Mama.
Where we gonna put that one? Look.
Wherever you want to put it.
Hold this thing. No, I'm not right.
Alright, he's throwing a fit. He wanted to see the he saw the lawnmower. That's why he's throwing.
That's
a fit.
nice, look, oh. Nawa, nas dun Julio, mga kaibigan. Can you put this in your pocket, please? Don't lose that because Kishana will look for it. Nativity blow up. Ano ba kayo, John Julio? Gusto talaga niyang magsakay sa... Gusto talaga nilang magsakay-sakay dyan. As in. Pero ito, mga kaibigan, pwede mo yung sakyan. Pwede mo yung sasakyan kasi mga ano to. Ito, I wanna ride this one.
We're gonna start. No. I'm gonna start a lawn service. We're gonna have Mommy, CJ, Christiana. They're all gonna do the lawn cutting.
Oh no. Black. Okay. What do you pick, CJ? You pick this one. He wants me to get down.
Beep beep beep.
Look at that menu set.
Yeah, that's what do you call this? Yan mga kaibigan, naglilinis sa mga, nagpumputo sa mga damo.
CJ.
Let's go get the extension cord. We need extension cord for this.
Bye, CJ.
Come on, CJ boy. No, that's not coloring. That's a gingerbread. Gingerbread house, I think.
Let's build some.
No, honey.
Next tomorrow.
That's next time. Goy, don't step in there kasi gumagaya din tong kapatid mo. Please. Maganda dito dalhin tong mga bulilit kasi malawak. Takbuhan sila. At saka marami silang nakikita ba?
Bye, Christiana. Bye, CJ.
Thank you. Sabi ng Amerikano, how cute daw si Agoy-Agoy. At si CJ yung Amerikano. Sabi niya kay CJ, how cute daw. Ay! Psst. Dito. Up. Takbuhan si CJ. Kulit talaga ni Don Julio.
Look over here.
Wala, sige. May hinanap si Chris na ano pala para sa, ano yan? Para sa garage. Ito mga kaibigan, yung bintana na, ang tawag dito? Wood. Ayan pala ang tawag. Wood shutter. Ayan ang tawag. Wood shutter. Ayan, oh. So, pwede ka ditong magpa-install. Ito, bumaba to eh. Pindutin lang pala yan. Tapos, akyat. Okay. Tapos yung ibang klase. Andoon sila sa likod. Naglalaro na silang dalawa. Oh. Si G, ano ka ba? Si G, lagi kang na. Si John Julio, parang. Sige, para pag-uwi, matulog ito ng maayos. Magkatulog ng maayos to, mga kaibigan, kasi, ayan o, sige. Sige. Di ba nung mga bata tayo, mahilig tayong tumakbo, ano? Takbuhan, hala. Gaya nito, hala, Okay. Cool. Kishana, don't go in there. Go back. Kaya hindi ka namin makikita. Huwag kang lumiko. Anong ginagawa niya? Agoy-agoy, gumagaya ang bunso. Nakakatuwa. Excuse me. That's okay, bebe. Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan, Bi. Nasa ilalim. Yung Santa niya.
You think you're cool now,
Hawak,
huh?
ha?
You think
Hawak.
you're cool now, huh, bud? Look at him.
Be careful when he take off.
He's like, look at me.
Up!
Wipe out! Oh no! You wiped out!
He wants to go other spot. Sige. Let's go to the extension cord.
Where's that at?
I'm not sure. Oh, it's right here in front of you. Where's that at? It's in front na pala. Ito yung mga ano, ang ganda ng mga cabinet, oh. Ayan po, oh. Wow, ang ganda, oh. Pang banyo. Wow. Hala, totoong core, ano to? Ang tawag dito na klase, oh. Totoong tile or... Ang ganda ng... Wow. Naka-organize na pala. Ayan, mga storage space. Ang laki. Tapos yun din, oh. May mga single at double. Cabinet, oh. Mga ano yan siya, mga display. Extension cord. Ayan. Ayan po. Good morning po. Magandang gabi. Magandang tanghali. Did you see any? I think I saw here, but they're short. They're... Where? Yeah, but that's big. I want the light one. Remember, we're gonna put in the ceiling. Ilagyan natin para sa Christmas, mga kaibigan. Sus, ang laki nito eh. Ang taba. We only need, huh?
The green ones are outdoors.
I'm down.
Well, that's very... I want white for... Ito. How about this? Is this long enough? I want the white.
Indoors, white.
Oh, we cannot put that outside the eye. Hindi pala to pwede indoor. Oh. Well, that's insane. Ang kailangan natin is outdoor. Nako, heavy duty eh. Kalaki hindi natin kailangan ng heavy duty eh. Ah. Ingat po kayo mga kaibigan ha. Maghanap muna ako dito ng anong tamang... Kasi medyo kailangan natin ng mahaba. Kailangan natin ng medyo mahaba-haba kasi nga para ano natin sa ating parol. Yung parol na galing Pilipinas na nag-iilaw. Kailangan ko ng extension cord na indoor. Oh, pangloob. Yun ito pwede sa labas kasi maulanan. Pag maulanan, hindi pwede. Outdoor. Ito pala yung pang outdoor lang. Ito, magkano to? $15. Ubus na. Ayan, wala na oh. Nagkaubusan. Ano tong puti? Maganda tong puti. Outdoor. Ah, okay. Tag $15 pala tong mga to. Chris! Tanungin ko nga si Chris kung anong haba. Kung tama ba yung 15 feet. Ito, green. Okay mga kaibigan, ingat po kayo ha. Kita lang tayo mamaya. Ang laki ng tindahan no. Pero Sunday kasi ngayon walang tao dahil Sunday at saka ang mga tao tapos na namili. Oh, tahimik na tahimik. Walang katao-tao. Kaya maganda maglakad-lakad dito kasamang mga bata dito mag-date. Kasi walang hindi tayo naka-istorbo sa ibang customer ba. Tingnan nyo oh. Tahimik po. Okay, tanongin ko muna si Chris. Anong klaseng haba ang kailangan? Okay po, ingat kayo dyan ha. Magandang araw at sana maganda ang inyong week ngayon.